No, find the mean of first 4 observations. So you have to find first. How 12? You put the value of x and get this observation, and then you find mean of that 4. Are you getting? You have to substitute the value of x and get first 4 observations, and then you have to find. Huh? What is? Huh? What are the first 4 observations? You tell me. Huh? Then it will be 12. Okay. Then it will be 12. Then it will be 12. Chalo, fourth one. Find the median of. 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 Find the median of 18, 19, 20, 23, 22, 20, 17, 19, 25 and 21. Chalo, 21. Find the median. Chalo, do it. Find the median. Find the median. Find the median. Chalo, find the median. Then find the median of. Find the median of. Find the median of. Find the median of 5, 11, 9, 7, 15, 17, 2, 23 and 19. 2, 23 and 19. Find the median of this. Oh, the answer is 20. Hello. Solve, then we'll see. Twenty. Chalo, sixth question. Sixth question. Sixth question. The mean of 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 2, 12, 4, 9, 5 and 16. The mean of 2, 12. The mean of 2, 12. 2, 12, 4, 9, 5, 4, 9, 5, 4, 9, 5 and 16 is x. The mean is x. The median of the median of the median of the median of 43x x minus 1 12 12 and 16 is y. Find the value of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. What is the answer of first? Let me discuss one by one. 51. So to find the mean, value, we add this number. Okay, we add this number. So we write mean is 43 plus 51 plus 50 plus 57 plus 54. And divide this total by total number of values given. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divide by 5. So add this, find the total 43 plus 51 plus 255. Divide by 5. So 5 5s are 55, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So mean is 51. Mean is 51. Mean is 51. Those who are joining late, my dear, be on the time. So first answer, mean is 51. The mean of observation is given. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. The mean of observation is 7. So how will find the mean value? So mean is equal to 4 plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus 10 plus 5 upon how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mean is given 7. 7 is equal to 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 34 plus x upon 6. 7 6 are 42. 42 is equal to 34 plus x. 42 minus 34 is equal to x. So x is equal to 8. The answer is 8. Okay, answer is 8. Answer is 8. Third is 12. Okay, let us see. The mean of 6 observation is 15. Find the mean of first 4 observation. So you will find first the value of x. First you will find the value of x. Then that value of x you will find and get first 4 observation. So mean is given 15. So 15 is equal to, mean is equal to x minus 5 plus x minus 1 plus x plus x plus 2, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 12. Divide by how many values are given? See, x minus 5 do not consider 2 value. X minus 5 is my 1 value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide by 6. So cross multiply 15 into 6, 90 is equal to x how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. 0. So 6x plus 12. So 90 minus 12 is equal to 6x. 78 is equal to 6x. 78 divided by 6 is equal to x. So x is equal to 13. Yes. So when x is 13, now after finding the value of x, you have to find the mean of first 4 observation. So first you will find first 4 observations. So what are the first 4 observations? Yes, what are the first four observations? First four observations are x minus 5, x minus 1, x plus 2. Put the value of x as 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 13 minus 1, where? In this only, no? Yes, no problem. Same answer. You are getting no x as 13. Then it is correct. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 1, 12, 13, and 13 plus 2, 15. So, 4 observations. So, you add them. So, mean will be 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 divided by 4. 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 28, 48. 48 divided by 4, answer will be 12. So, mean of first 4 observation is 12. Mean of first 4 observation is 12. Yes, any doubt in this? No. So I told you that number will be different, concept will remain same. Concept it will remain same. Chalo, solve fourth one. Okay, so majority are getting the answer 20. Let us see how it has come 20. For mean, there is no requirement to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. But for median, it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. This you remember. Whenever you want to calculate median, you have to first arrange the data in ascending or descending order. The same care you take in your project also. So let us arrange the data in ascending order. Which is the smaller number? 18. 18, 19, 18, I have cancelled. 19, 2 times. 17, 18, 19, 17. 17, 18, 19, 19, then 20, 22 times, 22 times, then 21 once, then 22, then 23, then 25. How many data is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here n is equal to 10 and 10 is even number. Whenever data is even, what is the formula for median? Yes, what is the formula for median? Yes, so that will be n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So n is 2, n is 10. So 10 by 2th term, 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So that will be 5th term. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 plus 1, 6. 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. What is 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th term. 6th term, 20. So that is 20 plus 20 divided by 2. That is 40 divided by 2. Answer is 20. Yes, same answer all of you got 20. Median is 20. Chalo, find out 5th one. Fifth answer, anybody else? 11. Satish Patel has got 11 answer. What is your name? Riddhi. Tanvi 11. Riddhi 11. Satish Patel 11. Yes, what about others, boys? Yes. Jay Gandhi 11. Chalo, ठीक है. We'll see. First you arrange the median. You arrange the data in ascending order. What is smaller number? 2. 2. Cancel karo 2. Then 7. Sorry, 5. 5. Cancel karo. then 7, then 9, 7, 9, then 11, cancel 11, then 15, cancel 15, then 19, no, 17, 17, then 19, then 23, correct? How many data is given? 3 plus 3, 6, 9. N is equal to 9. And 9 is odd number. For odd number, formula for median is, yes, what is that? N plus 1 upon 2th term. N plus 1 upon 2th term. N is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 upon 2, that is 5th term. So 5th term of the observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term of the observation is 11. So my median is 11. Chalo. 6th one bolo. What is the value of x? 8. X is 8. And y? It comes in the mixed fraction. Okay, let us see. The mean of these observation is x. So mean of these observation. What are the observation? 2 plus 12 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 16. Okay. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mean is, but mean value is given. What is mean value? X. Mean value is x. So x is equal to 14 plus 4, 18 plus 9, 27 plus 5, 32 plus 48. 48 upon 6. So x is equal to 8. Okay. Once you find x value 8, you find the data for median. What is the data for median? It is given 4, 3, x, x minus 1, 12 and 16. You put the value of x. So 4, 3, 8, 8 minus 1, 7, 12, 16. Now you arrange them in the ascending order, my dear. Ascending order. So what is that? Ascending order, no? Do not directly calculate median. You have to arrange the data in the ascending order. After substituting the value of x for median, you arrange the data in the ascending order. So what is that? 3. अरे median दिया है ना, median. Median है. That is what mean is given. Then it is median. Chalo, do it. After this you calculate. Arrange the data in ascending order. Take 2 minute time. Take 2 minute time. Tell me the answer. Hmm? 7.5. What about others? 7.5. 7.5. Okay, chalo. So this is 3, 4, 7, 8, 12, 16. How many data is given? 3, 4, 8, 6. N is 6. Even number. So median will be n by 2th term 6 by 2, that is 3rd term, plus n by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4th term, 3rd term plus 4th term divided by 2. What is the 3rd term? 7. 4th term 8. So 7 plus 8 divided by 2. That is 15 divided by 2. Answer is 7.5. Yes. What answer all of you got? Same answer? Very good. Same answer? 7.5, 7.5. So median is 7.5. Median is 7.5. So if it is multiple choice question, if you read the wrong question, then straight away you will lose 4 marks, 3 marks. So be careful. The best part is you read the question twice. Chalo, let me give one more question. This is with number 8 question. Chalo. 7. The following data have been arranged in the ascending order of their magnitude. The following data have been arranged in ascending order of their magnitude. Have been arranged in ascending order of their magnitude. So already it is arranged in the ascending order of their magnitude. The data is 63, 66, 69, x plus 2, 76, 89 and 103. If the median of the given data is 71, if the median of the given data is 71, if the median of given data is 71, find the value of x. You are given the median. Okay? Good. Huh? Check the calculation, my dear. Check the calculation. X 70. Yes, what is the answer? Two different answers. You are getting different answers. She is getting different answers. Take your own time. Check the calculation. The data is already arranged in the ascending order. Median is given 71. Median is given 71. Find the value of x. Okay. सेवेंटी चलो ठीक है, we will check it. Now 8-1. Chalo 8-1. Solve this 8-1. 8-1. Find the mean of x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 9 and x plus 11. Find the mean of this. And ninth one. if the mean of 869 n plus 15 comma m plus 2 let it be this is 10. Find the value of n. Chalo, find the value of n. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Then 10th one, the mean of 5 observations, the mean of 5 observations, x plus 3, comma x plus 5, comma x plus 7, comma x plus 9, and x plus 11 is 14. Mean is 14. Find the value of first the value of x, then mean of last 3 observations. Second, mean of last 3 observations. Let's do it first. Ninth answer you got. What is the answer of this? What is the answer of 7th? Yes. So 70. Let us check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. So median is given 71. 71 is equal to 4th and 5th. X and x plus 2. X plus 2 divided by 2. So 71 into 2 is 142. 142 is equal to 2x plus 2. So 142 minus 2 is 2x. So 142 minus 2. 140 is equal to 2x. So 140 divided by 2 is x. So you will get x is equal to 70. So the correct answer for 7th is 70. 70. Yes, all of you got this answer, 70. Yes, what about others? Okay. What is the answer? What is the answer of 8? X plus 7. 8th answer, x plus 7. 8th answer is x plus 7. Let us check whether it is x plus 7 or not. So mean value will be sum of all observation divided by number of observation. So x plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 11 divided by 5. See what students, some of the students, they take x plus 3 as 2 number, which is wrong. X plus 3 is by 1 number, always remember. So 5 plus, that is 5x, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 9, 24 plus 35. 35 divided by 5. So now you have a plus b divided by c. I can write a by c plus b by c. So this will be 5x upon 5 plus 35 upon 5. 5x upon 5, 5 get cancelled. That is x plus 7. Yes, all of you got same answer, x plus 7. Very good. x plus 7. Ninth answer is 5. Yes, ninth answer is 5. Let us check. Ninth answer is 5. Ninth answer, all of you are getting 5. Let us see for 5. Mean of observation is 10. So we write mean 10 is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus m plus 15 plus m plus 2. Divide by number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observation. Divide by 5. So 10 5s are 50 is equal to 23 plus 15, 38, 40. 40 plus 2m. 50 minus 40 is 10. 10 is equal to 2m. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to m. So you will get the value of m as 5. All of you got the answer 5? Yes? Okay. Okay, 5. So ninth answer is 5. Okay, the mean of observation is given. Mean of observation. Mean of 16. X is 7. First you will find the value of x. Yes. So you will write mean is equal to sum of observation x plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 11 divided by 5. So mean is given 14, x plus, that is 5x, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15 plus 9 34, 34 plus 11, no, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 9 24, 24 plus 11 35 divide by 5. It will get cross multiplied. 14 5s are 70. 70 is equal to 5x plus 35. So 70 minus 35 is equal to 5x. 70 minus 35 is 35. Divide by 5 is equal to x. X is equal to 7. Yes, x is equal to 7. Then what is asked? Find the mean of last 3 observations. Okay. Find the mean of last 3 observations. So what are last 3 observations? So we write last 3 observations are x plus 7, x plus 9 and x plus 11. You put the value of x, 7. So 7 plus 7, comma 7 plus 9, comma 7 plus 11. 7 plus 7, 14, 16 and 18. They are last 3 observations. They are last 3 observations. Now you want to find mean. What is your answer? Yes, Satish Patel, what is the answer? Yes, Satish Patel, Tanvi Patel, what is the answer? Voice is not audible. Voice is audible now? Okay, 16 is the answer. Okay. So mean will be 14 plus 16 plus 18 divided by 3. 14 plus 16, 30, 30 plus 18, 48. 48 divided by 3. Answer is 16. So mean of last 3 observation is 16. Okay? Okay. Chalo. So now we stop here. You are having another period. We'll continue with the revision next period. Bye, bye, bye. Bye everybody.